Dear students, for class 9th, our today's topic is linear equation in two variable. After the exercise of NCERT books, today we will take some extra question related for this. First question is draw graphs of the equation. There are two linear equation 3x minus 2y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 3. In the same graph, we should draw the graph of this linear equation on a same graph paper and find the coordinate of the point where two lines intersect. The graph of the linear equation is a straight line and both the straight line intersect in a single point, and find the coordinate of these points. So first of all, find the solution of this equation. 3x minus 2y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 3. First of all, find the minimum 2 solution for this equation. Put the values of x as your choice. Put x equal to 0. Then 3 into 0 minus 2y equal to 4. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 2y equal to 4. And 0 minus 2y is minus 2y. And y equal to 4 upon minus 2. Then y equal to minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is the first solution. Again, we can put the values of x equal to 1, 3 into 1 minus 2y equal to 4. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 2y equal to 4. Minus 2y equal to 4 minus 3. And minus 2y equal to 1. And y equal to 1 upon minus 2. That is minus 0.5. Again put x equal to minus 1. Then 3 into minus 1 minus 2y equal to 4. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 2y equal to 4. And minus 2y equal to 4 transpose minus 3, 4 plus 3. And minus 2y equal to 7. And y equal to 7 upon minus 2. That is minus 3.5. These are the three solutions for the first equation. Again find the solution of this equation. Put x equal to 0. Then 0 plus y equal to 3. Then y equal to 3. Again put y equal to 0. Then x equal to 3. So 0, 3 and 3, 0 is two solution. We can find one another solution. Put x equal to 1. Then 1 plus y equal to 3. Then y equal to 3 minus 1. That is 2. So first of all, find the solution of this equation. After then, we should draw the graph with the help of solution. For drawing the graph, first of all, make a Cartesian plane. For draw the x-axis and y-axis. On both the axes, we should take the scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and plot these points. Our first solution is, for the first equation is 0 minus 2. So here 0 and minus 2. This is the first solution, 0 minus 2. Second, 1 and minus 0.5. This is 0 and minus 1. Between this 1 and minus 0.5. The third solution is minus 1 and minus 3.5. This is minus 1 and minus 3.5. And join them, then we should make a line. This line is 3x minus 2y equal to 4. Similarly, for the another line, first solution is 0, 3, x0 and y3. Second 3, 0, this is 3, 0, and 1, 2, this is 1, 2. So first is the 0, 3, second 3, 0, and third solution is 1, 2. And again join them. So the second, we will get a second line, x plus y equal to 3. The graph of both the lines intersect at a point, and this point is, first move this 2 unit on x-axis and again 1 unit on y-axis. So 2, 1 is the intersecting point. So the intersecting point of this line is 2, 1. We will take the another question for related to the linear equation. Draw the graph of the equation x minus y equal to 1 and 2x plus y equal to 8, and shade the area bounded by these two lines and y-axis, and also determine this area. In this question, in the previous question, we will find the intersecting point, but here, after the drawing the graph of the linear equation, shade the area bounded by this line and y-axis. There are the three linear equations. Two linear equations are given, and third is the y-axis. And bounded by these three lines, determine its area. So first of all, find the solution of this. Minimum 2 solution. Put x equal to 0. Then 0 minus y equal to 1. Then minus y equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. Again put y equal to 0. Then x minus 0 equal to 1. Then x equal to 1. So 0 minus 1 and 1, 0 is 2 solution. We can put one another solution. Put x equal to 2. Then 2 minus y equal to 1. Minus y equal to 1 minus 2. And minus y equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus and minus cancel, and y equal to 1. So at 2, x equal to 2, then y equal to 1. These are the three solutions for the first equation. Similarly, for finding the solution of another equation, put x equal to 0, then y equal to 8. Put x equal to 1, two plus y equal to 8, and y equal to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Again put x equal to 2. Then 2 into 2 plus y equal to 8. 4 plus y equal to 8. And y equal to 8 minus 4, that is 4. That x equal to 2, y equal to 4. So first of all, find the solution of this equation. For drawing the graph, make a Cartesian plane, and first of all choose the scale. Scale is same, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. For the first equation, Our first solution is 0 minus 1. So x0 and y minus 1. Again 1 0 is this point. And next 2 1, x2 and y1. Then join them. This is the first equation. X minus y equal to 1. Similarly for the second equation, first of all 0 8, next 1 6, and third is the 2 4, and join them. This is the another equation, 2x plus y equal to 8. These are the two linear equation, and both the equation intersect at a point. And our question is, shade the area bounded by these lines and y-axis. So these two lines and y-axis. This is y-axis. So shade it. And also determine this area. This shaded part is a triangle, and we can take the naming A, B and C. So ABC is the triangle and determine its area. So the area of triangle ABC, area of the triangle is half into base into height. So here half, here base can be calculated in this way. This part is 8, 1 to 8, and on the below side it is 1. So the total length is 9. Here minus 1, but length cannot be negative. So we should consider it is 9 unit. And its height is this, and this is equivalent to the 3 unit. So half into 9 3 is 27 upon 2, and 27 by 2 is 13.5 square unit. This is the solution of this type of question. First of all, find the solution, again plotting them, and shade the area bounded by this line, and one another line is y-axis. We will get a triangle, and area of triangle is half base height, and half into 9 into 3, and its answer is 13.5 square unit.